This is a DocTalk podcast short with Dr. Jenna Burton and me, James Pikeway.
So what is it you don't like about fillers?
It's not that I don't like fillers. I like fillers, but I think they should be the cherry on the cake.
Oh, so do some needling, do some lasering, then hey, we'll do some fillers later.
I have to say, as a preference for my patients and just generally, I don't like the look where someone is absolutely plumped up with filler. The more superficial the filler is, the more the filler moves and not your face. So where I do like filler is in the lips to replace what's lost, not to make that big puffy lip.
I see some puffy lip people.
But you know what? That's a trend.
Yeah. So
it's not my preference, but I have a lot of patients that come in, they say, no, I want that look. That's what I want.
No, it goes away though, right?
No.
So once you've put the fillers in and get puffy lips, the puffy lips.
Between 6 months and 2 years, depending on the quality of the filler and how quickly you break it down.
But and when it breaks down, does it break down evenly?
Yes, it does.
Thankfully. Thankfully.
So it does tend to break down evenly. Also, it depends where you put it. If you put it in an area that you're moving more regularly, your metabolism in that area might be a little bit quicker, so you tend to break it down a bit quicker. So
what are these fillers? What are we putting in?
They tend to be based with hyaluronic acid, and that is, again, with hyaluronic acid, you draw water in. So I'll inject a filler, and then what happens is that people get, again, inflammation because I've put a needle into the area. That lasts for just a few days. And then they get water drawn into their skin. So in the area over where the filler is, actually their skin can be quite improved as well because they get an increased hydration. So fillers can look beautiful if they're done correctly. And like I say, they're done with a pinch of salt. So it's just that whole face full. Again, I see a lot of like 19, 20-year-olds absolutely plumped up with filler, and it can actually make them look older because it looks like they're trying to hide something that was never there. But it's everyone and every culture has their own sort of acceptable policy of what they think they want. Me as a practitioner, I like natural. That's how I try and get my patients that they look fresh. And sometimes that is with filler and usually with a bit of Botox, but more like baby Botox as opposed to full on. But ultimately, everyone is different.